and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Julian, Marley and the Wailers reunite for Unicef. Reggae singer Julian Marley and the Wailers band treated music lovers to a performance of Bob Marley's 1965 reggae anthem, One Love, over the weekend at the Unicef USA Won't Stop virtual concert.
One love, one heart, let's
The musical event, which also featured performances and special appearances from artists including Sting, Cher and Chloe and Halle, aimed to highlight UNICEF's COVID-19 response for frontline workers, health experts and the children UNICEF serves. Now, black women create billboard history. Doja Cat, Nicki Minaj, Megan Thee Stallion and Beyonce have created billboard history, as this week marks the first in which 4 black female solo artists occupy the chart's top 2 spots on the Billboard Hot 100 Songs chart. Doja Cat's Say So remix featuring Nicki Minaj has made its way to the #1 spot.
Every time I take a break, the game be so boring. Pretty like Naomi, Cassie plus Lauren.
While Megan Thee Stallion's Savage remix featuring Beyonce sits at #2.
I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
The feat also marks the first time the 2 solo songs by female rappers have made the Hot 100 Top 10 simultaneously. Before this week, the last time multiple black women simultaneously ranked at the top 2 spots on the Billboard Hot 100 Songs chart was in January of 2009, when Beyonce's Single Ladies Put a Ring on It ranked at #1, while Rihanna's collaboration with T.I. Live Your Life was #2. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.